Hi. So today we'll be talking about Alerdian. That's the name of our product. First off, I want to start off with a story. So my dad has been in the trucking industry for over 25 years, and him having his CDL license allowed for him to have a steady income, a stable job. But at the same time, I still often wondered, whenever I saw him walking through our front door, whether or not that would be the last time that I would see him. Fortunately for me, that was not the case. But in America, 30 to 40% of trucking accidents are caused by driver fatigue.
The industries already have tremendous interest in assessing employees' alertness level. However, traditional alertness measurement devices such as this wristband here require long-term usage and only estimate alertness level in a broad granularity. And we were doing research on the alertness study, and from a recent anesthesia study on monkeys, we find that the brainwave, in fact, is a more reliable measure of alertness than heart rate and blood pressure. Therefore, we developed our model based on this study, and it has been shown promising results. And with this model, we designed an EEG recording system called SafeBand, and it contains active channels which uses brainwaves recording to track alertness level in real time throughout an employee's shift. Scrub caps, trucker hats, and military helmets can easily include in our Alerdian technology using a safe band that will allow employers to track their employees' alertness data.
So in terms of our applications, we see this market being very huge. First of all, we see it happening in the healthcare industry, the trucking industry, and the military industry. Specifically, what differentiates our technology with what already exists is that we hope that our product is compliant with OSHA's personal protective equipment standards. The difference between wearing the Fitbit, which is what's used now to track data, is the fact that it's just one more thing that someone needs to wear, whereas the PPE is something that's already required on site while they're on the job. So our cloud-based platform will allow hospitals, trucking companies, and military organizations to basically make better decisions when it comes to scheduling their employees. It will also reduce employee burnout based off of this data, and this will then in turn reduce workplace accidents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Questions?
I mean, in a lot of the smart cars now, if the car notices that you're not paying attention, it'll start to slow down. It'll kind of veer you into the right direction. So the machine kind of takes over. But when you find out that your doctors are tired, doesn't the hospital already, I mean, what do you suggest it would do? And how would the AI help with that problem?
So I do want to show you guys a plot actually here. So this is from one of the paper that actually introduced very 30 years ago or something. And we are all familiar with circadian rhythm, and we are familiar with the sleep load. And from these two force, now we can actually plot out throughout the 24 hours of the day the very broad alertness curve here. And our method, we're proposing it that it actually can give you a very accurate point of where you're at this spot. It's going to change throughout your circadian rhythms throughout your day, and we are actually having a very accurate absolute scale there that's going to tell you, okay, maybe at this time of the day you are at this value right here. You guys are probably feeling asleep after eating lunch, and that's exactly what's happening right here. And then you need a little bit of a rest, and then should be good.
So basically, to add to that, what makes it different is the fact that we're not channeling a user problem, so we're not trying to channel smart cars. We're trying to channel industry, which is why we're tackling OSHA personal protective equipment.
Did I miss a part where you said this is something they're already wearing?
Yes. So we mentioned that it would be a safe band where it has sensors that are basically, it's a headband, it's reusable, it's replaceable, and it can be basically transferable throughout any PPE in the three industries that we're trying to target.
currently it's not being wear, but with this standard, we hope to incorporate with the cooperate with the standard, and make it make the market easier to accept this product.